Good afternoon, I'm Todd. Refurbished this Lektro. When we first got this unit in, it was in pretty rough shape. First thing we did was we had to troubleshoot it to see what discrepancies it had, corrected them, changed a bunch of the components in the cabinet right here. All the components inside here were either removed to clean or removed to facilitate the discrepancies that they might have had. After that, changed the brakes out, changed the tires out. Most of the major components we ended up keeping and just taking apart, refurbishing, cleaning them up, putting them back together, and it's in pretty good working order now. We started the refurbishment process with sanding it. Took a couple days to sand down, got it down to bare metal, painted it, and that's nice pretty red that it comes out as. If you follow the manufacturer's manual, it'll give you that layout in the manual, when to change the oil in the gearbox, when to change the oil for your transmission, when to change the brushes in the motor. For overhaul, it really depends on what condition your unit is in. If you got a bunch of exterior rust going on that could leak into the inside and start getting into the components, start getting into the wires, it's probably a good time to get your unit refurbished. If it's been kept outside for a couple of years and hasn't really gotten looked at too much, and you're really starting to use it now, it might be a good time to get it looked at. If not cleaned up, it's a lot of work to get these things up and running. It came out looking pretty good.